Introducing Sonic Industries FR900 SS top model band sealer. So we are going to introduce what we can components are there into this particular machine, and why this heavy duty machine has been used, and what are the advantages of this machine and how to use and everything in this video. So first of all, there is an tripper here to on off this thing. As soon as you on the upper side is a case of doing an owning that thing. The second is the power button, the red color. The second one is the fan button, what we can the heating button. The third button is the cooling button. Make sure all these three buttons should be on. In case if the conveyor is not working, make sure your emergency switch is being rotated and it's lifted out sometime. If it is pressed, so it would be stopped. You need to rotate it, your conveyor would be started. This is the conveyor adjuster, a speed adjuster through which you can adjust your speed according to your preferences. So talking about this machine is a top model band sealer machine, and in this machine the power boards, if you are talking about the power boards, if you are comparing with the economic model, so economic models comes around 80 volts and this machine is 220 volts, and this is suitable for PP and LD pouches. Whereas economic model, whichever the model you are seeing on Amazon or any of the places or any of the what we can say, any of the companies, so they all are economic models, so they doesn't support PP and LD. So this PP and LD has been supported by this model. How to indicate that this is a top model or not? There are multiple things you need to understand. You can see in the video that there is the back end of this particular machine. So how the motor are and what's the motor and what are the gears in it. There is a tripper options here. The second, the stimulator in this middle. So these all things implement that this machine can be applicable for the PP and LD pouches. So talking about the economic and this, it has an metal fan with it. As compared with the economic model, it only has a plastic fan in this. And the what we can say, the emergency option, the stimulator in between this, and the copper and the coolant. So which are heavy duty in the in this series of FR900. So this machine is highly recommendable for if your production is larger, if you want to work out for a longer time, so you can prefer going with this. If your pouches are not LDs or PP, then you can prefer going with the economic model. So this is the training about how you can set this temperature and everything. This is the on off button of temperature. As soon as you on this button, this is the indications about this machine, what we can say, the controller. So talking about the economic model temperature controller and the top model, this is been registered as CE approved and heavy duty temperature controller, and the economic model has a different temperature controller in this. It has an auto tripper in the auto, what we can say, auto cutter. What does it means? Whenever you are setting something, for an example, right now the machine has been set on 160. The preview voltage, the inside voltage of this machine is 140. So as soon as it comes to 160, it would stop that to increase from that particular range of heating. So that's how it helps the particular machine to work for a longer time and for a longer duration. So how you going to set this particular thing? So as I told you, this machine is a top model. So for PP and LD pouches, the temperature is considered to be 125 to 135. And if you have a biodegradable pouches, so the heating temperature for this is 115 or 1110, and depending on the aluminum pouches or other pouches, PE pouches or any of the pouches, the heating temperature is 170 to 165 to 180, and depending on the higher range of what we can say, if you have paper coating into it, so the heating temperature is 200 degrees for this. So as I told you, this is the top model. So heating capacity of this particular model, it's more than 300 degree, and if you are going with the economic model, it's only 200 degree. So that's the reason the heating capacity depends a lot for this. And the Teflon which you have seen here from where the sealing has been done. So Teflon capacity is 300, for the economic is 200. So now we are going to check how to set the temperature. You need to click on set once, then you can increase or decrease your particular temperature by this. As soon as I am writing 180, see, as soon as it gets 180, you need to click on set. So your preview voltage will get on increasing. So it will reach up to 180, then it will stop doing the what we can say the heating. So that how you can what we can just set your particular set the temperature and everything by this machine. You make sure you don't need to press this button continuously, only need to press it once, only once. If this is pressed for a longer time, the machine would be totally calibrated. So make sure these are the don'ts you need to follow. Only click the set for one time, not more than that, one time. If you are pressing this for a longer time, it would be an issue. So press it for a one time, that's it. So Sonic Industries has both of the model, and you can surely purchase it from our website or from Amazon.